show, Phoenix. So we came outside for a little bit, get some fresh air. We all have our Phoenix. Move it. We all have our eyes open and we're all starting to walk. All the girls are really pretty much the same size and same place. The one that's up there walking right now, she's probably been the first at walking and eyes opening, but the other ones were just right behind her. The little boy has been he probably has been walking maybe a little bit sturdier than everybody else. He's a little bit bigger. We just got back from a hike with Ruby and Phoenix, and so Ruby had to get a bath because she was playing in the water at the reservoir, and she's kind of waiting to dry off before she gets in there with them to feed them. And she's eating lunch right now. We changed her food to Purina Pro Plan because she was just kind of getting bored with Iams. I think we were having to always mix something in it, and she's been eating this pretty easily. And they get up and play for a little bit, and then they lay back down and go to sleep and get up and eat. And that's about all we do, sleep and eat. They'll probably start playing more in the next week or so, and in about a week we will start them on puppy food, the same food that Ruby's eating. They'll start eating because it's for all ages of dogs. It has some extra fat. They look like they're a little chilly. Can't be. It's like 80 degrees out. Ready to feed him? No? Still drying? Ruby, what's up? Come here. What you think? Ready to feed him? No? Not yet? I'm gonna dry off a little bit more? Yeah? Not yet.